Okay students, today we are going to discuss some important questions of the biomolecules. Okay, very important questions I am going to discuss, so definitely there will be some help in your coming examinations. So not only this, every time you have an exam of chapter wise, so better to visit Vijchem YouTube channel and check your preparedness. Your preparedness is with current examination questions or not, or if you require any clarifications. Okay, so questions with the proper explanation will be given to you. Okay, so first question, which one of the following reagent used to identify glucose? Okay, question is that you have to identify glucose. You have to identify what? Glucose. Option A, neutral ferric chloride. Okay, FeCl3 is given neutral. FeCl3 is given neutral ferric chloride. Okay. Option B is given chloroform. Okay, chloroform plus alcoholic KOH. Okay, so then C option is ammonical silver nitrate. Okay, ammonical silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate. Then option D is given sodium ethoxide. Okay, sodium ethoxide. These are the options given. Now you can identify the glucose by which of the following. Answer to this question is ammonical silver nitrate. Okay, because glucose contains aldehyde group. Okay, so test for aldehyde group is ammonical silver nitrate. What it will form? Silver mirror it will form due to the presence of aldehyde. When you add ammonical silver nitrate, silver mirror will be formed. Okay, so this is the first question. Second question, glucose molecule react with X. Glucose molecule react with X molecules of phenylhydrazine. Okay, phenylhydrazine. Okay, phenylhydrazine to give osazone. So this is a combined question with the carbonyl compounds and glucose. This is the way you have to identify number of functional groups. Okay, so option A, here X you have to identify. Option A 4, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Question, is it understood? So what are the answer? Glucose react with X moles of phenylhydrazone. X moles of phenylhydrazone to give osazone. Okay, that is the question. Okay, this is a complete mechanism. First, this is phenylhydrazine. So when it is treated, first mole will react and loses H2O. Okay, so this will be added up here. This is phenylhydrazine. Now this will be double bond. So once the second mole of the same, when it is treated, it will remove this hydrogen. Okay, now it is converted to ketone, and one more mole also can be used. That here this hydrogen, this oxygen will be removed. Same it will be everywhere. It will be like this only. Okay. So second molecule also will attach here, CH double bond N, NH and phenyl. Okay. Now second product will be C double bond N, NH. Okay. This is the second product. Is it understood? Then CHOH whole thrice, then CH2OH. These are the three products. Okay. So how many moles we are consumed? 2 moles, 3 moles. Answer is 3 moles of phenylhydrazone will be consumed when you treat with the glucose. So answer is 3. Very important question. Okay, next question. In acetylation of glucose, which group is involved? First of all, acetylation means complete reaction I will give you, so that you should have any related question you should be able to answer. Okay, what is this? This is the glucose. In this one, acetic anhydride will be used and 5 moles of acetic anhydride. Okay, AC2O means acetic anhydride. Okay, so structure also I will give you, so that you should not have any problem in answering resulting. This is AC2O. Okay. So simple acetic anhydride will react with only alcoholic group. Okay. So in this place, wherever alcoholic group is there, one of the OAC will be formed. So product will be, here it will be OAC and here it will be OAC. Okay. OAC means this is like this. Okay. So like this ester will be formed. Okay. So OAC will be substituted, 4 moles and 1 mole here. So total 5 moles. So answer to this question is OH, and apart from this all related information also I have given. Okay. So 5 moles will be involved and OH will be replaced with OAC. Okay. Is it understood? Shall we go for the next question? Don't forget to give the like to this video so that I can come out with every chapter with the important question which will be helpful to before going for your weekend examination, chapter wise question, accumulated examinations. Okay. Okay, next question, the strongest form of bond. Strongest form of bond, very tricky question. I think you will all understand. Strongest form of intermolecular bond. Okay, question is strongest form of intermolecular bonding. Intermolecular bonding between, in the residue. Okay, in the residue of amino acid valine. Okay, valine is, question is it understood? Valine, in the valine, which of the following is the strongest intermolecular bond? First one is ionic bond. Okay, second one is hydrogen bond. Okay, and third one is van der Waal bond. And fourth one is none of these. Okay. So normally what people will see, strongest form of bond. So what they will understand there, it is the strongest bond, therefore they will answer ionic bond. No, answer is van der Waal bond. Okay. Question is not about strongest bond anywhere. Strongest bond in valine. Valine does not have any functional group. Okay. So no functional group, therefore no hydrogen bond, and it is organic compound, therefore it is not ionic. Therefore answer to this question is van der Waal is the strongest bond for possible. Okay. So shall we go for the next question? Next question is the functional group that participates in disulfide bond. Okay. Question is functional group that participates in disulfide bond. Okay, question is it understood? Disulfide bond. So which functional group is disulfide bond of thioester? By protein. Okay, proteins are formed disulfide bond, through the disulfide bond which functional group is present. Okay, option A, thioester. Option A is thioester. Option B is thioether. Okay, option C is thiol, and option D is thiolactone. Okay, thiolactone. Understood? These are the very important bonds out of which you have to identify. Okay, is that question clear? Yes, answer to this question is thiol. Okay, so in what happens to SH? Actually here alcohol group is there instead of alcohol group. Is it visible? Okay, so in place of the alcohol group OH, it is SH, thiol it is called as. So during this formation R, S, S, R, this is the protein. Okay, this type of protein will be formed in the sulfide, disulfide bond in the protein is due to, question is about disulfide bond in the protein is due to, answer is thiol. Okay, so shall we go for the next question? Don't forget to give the like. Next, glycosidic linkage, very easy but tricky question. Glycosidic linkage, okay, is actually very important. Don't give negative to yourself without going through it. Okay, is actually N. Okay, option A carbonyl bond, option A carbonyl bond, option B ether bond, okay, option C ester bond, okay, next option D amide bond, okay, these are the options. Is it understood? Now think and give me answer. Answer is ether. Okay, actually glycosidic linkage, two rings are connected through the oxygen, so oxygen means it is a ether bond. Is it understood? So shall we go for the next question? Very tricky questions I have selected so that you should not get the negative marks. And very important question from the vitamins. Okay, people understand, but this question people are making. Okay, so vitamin C is to be supplied. Instead of giving all options, I will give directly answer. Okay, supplied regularly through the diet. Okay, through the diet because, okay, why we should give regularly? It is not that once we take it will be useful for 1 month, 2 months, not like that. It should be supplied regularly. Okay, answer is C. Vitamin C is main problem is that it is water soluble. Okay, so once it is water soluble, it will be excreted out. It will be taken out from the body through the excretory system. So it cannot be stored. So to fulfill the deficiency, we have to keep on giving the vitamin C. Is that understood? Note down. Okay, next question is cyclic structure of fructose resembles with. Okay, answer to this question directly I am giving. Answer is furan. Okay, next, function of enzymes in the living systems. Okay, so very easy question. Catalyze biochemical reaction, to catalyze the biochemical reactions. Okay, so these are the some question I wanted to inform you. All the best to your exam. See you. Bye bye.